Hold on to your keyboards, tech fans, because Qualcomm is finally getting Android laptops outside of the maybe someday pile. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. At this year's Snapdragon Summit, Qualcomm confirmed it's working on Android support for its flagship X Elite and X series processors, while clearing one of the biggest hurdles in the road to ARM-powered laptops running Android. The Snapdragon X series first made waves in June 2024, aiming to compete with Apple's M series in Windows devices. Samsung's Galaxy Book 4 Edge and Microsoft Surface Pro 11 were early adopters, and the X Elite nearly matched the M3 Pro and M3 Max in single-core CPU performance, with the 80-watt model going toe-to-toe on GPU power. Qualcomm wasn't just participating in the race, it was leading it. Now comes the X2 series, and the numbers are jaw-dropping. Qualcomm says the Snapdragon X2 Elite is up to 31% faster than its previous one, while using 43% less power with GPU performance boosted by 2.3x per watt. There's also the X2 Elite Extreme, but it's unclear if Android laptops will see that beast anytime soon. What's really exciting is that with Android support in the pipeline, these laptops could finally marry Snapdragon's raw power with Android's mobile ecosystem, a combination tech fans have dreamed of for years. While the first crop of Android laptops won't hit stores in 2025, Qualcomm's progress signals that the Android laptop revolution is closer than ever. The question is, who will take the lead first? And will these devices finally give Apple's M series a tough time? What do you think? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.